Autumn's a great time to be in the garden in New Zealand. There's lots of fruit and vegetables that we can harvest, and there's also lots of new planting that we can do. So here's some great ideas to keep your garden looking fabulous in March in New Zealand. Autumn is a really good time to be planting in New Zealand. The soil is still warm, but the days are quite a lot cooler. This month is all about planting citrus. There's lots of different varieties and every garden should have at least one or two. They make a beautiful feature tree and are productive too. If you haven't got much room, plant in a pot. Use a premium potting mix or select from the range of smaller growing varieties. Camellias are a really good thing to be planting now. They're evergreen, they're easy to grow, and they produce really good flowers from now all the way through winter. Depending on the variety, they grow well in the sun or shade. Think about star jasmine too. It's versatile, making an awesome climber, or let it do its thing as a ground cover. Cyclamen reward as indoor plants with a long flowering season. Spring bulbs are coming online too. Daffodils, jonquils and anemones make a great show. It's a really good time to be planting some edibles now. You can direct sow things like carrots, beetroot and parsnips. Sow them directly into weed-free beds. Brassicas like broccoli, cabbage and cauliflower are good to plant now, as are spinach and silver beet, which are healthy winter greens. If you're unsure what to do, come into Bunnings and see one of our friendly team members and we will give you all the advice you need. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants, except seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. And if you're not 100% happy, return them with your receipt or tax invoice and we will give you a full refund. We've got lots of lovely things to harvest in the garden at the moment. We've got capsicums, chilies, lettuce, kale, silver beet, leeks, and over there we've got some nice early cabbage getting in nice and early, ready for winter. Autumn means pruning. You can trim azaleas and camellias as soon as they've finished flowering. This encourages new growth for next season's blooms. Replenish tired-looking soil in your empty gardens. Add compost or sheet pellets so it's ready for planting again. Watch out for pests. Aphids, whitefly and scale insects might still be about. Use a suitable spray for control. Get out into the garden this weekend. Do some pruning. It's really great fun and it's very good for the plants. And if you're really unsure in what you're doing, come into one of our Bunnings stores and talk to one of our friendly garden experts. Click here for more garden advice or click here to go back to the website.